Hi, this is your average DIY guy. Today I'm fixing my windshield washer nozzle. As you can see, it's broken, it doesn't spray well. So I ordered a part from Acura parts. I will link the product in description below. This is how the product looks like. Pretty straightforward installation, I would say 1 out of 5 in complexity level. This is how the existing nozzle looks like. As you can see, it's broken towards the tip. So to pull it out, basically you push on to the two tabs, those two, towards your windshield, and pop it downwards. It'll pop out. It's pretty straightforward, easy. So you have to yank the pipe out of this part. It was pretty tight, so you have to be careful not to pull out the pipe from the other side. So I installed it back, the pipe. This is how it looks like to the new part, and you put the part back as you removed it. Pretty easy. Once you're done, test it out. It worked very nice. As you can see, the spray is nice, good. Alright, please consider subscribing my channel. I will be putting new videos out there, so please subscribe. Thank you.